That looks good.
What happened, Ketchup?
Your Majesty, I had a bad dream. I dreamt that you don't write long episodes.
Well, that's because our viewers have ADD.
Well, anyway, what brings you here, boss?
Other than clickbait with an overly loud intro?
A burger?
Yeah.
Well, surprise.
Well, actually, I came for some yellow cake today.
Can't we do a hot dog with ketchup only?
Sorry, we have to include all the condiments now, so no more of this variety stuff.
Well, that's nice of us.
Oh, here's some more pickles for you.
That's a lot of pickles.
I just need to move you aside. Brought some more pickles here. More pickles here. There you go. And a few more for you. Thanks. Okay. So, thanks for building the fridge, but nobody likes you anymore, Ketchup. Don't you get internet in there?
Wait, I just thought we were doing the right thing here. What are you doing?
I can do this because I'm made of all the condiments, so I know what's best for all the condiments, you see. We're building a better fridge together. Together. We're building a better fridge together.
Well, we need to discuss this with the condiments who helped build this fridge.
Sorry, Ketchup. If you don't see things our way, then you're against the condiments and you don't get a say in this. They're together.
What is this? Invasion and treason?
No, because we call it something else. Now, I know change is hard, but remember, only one side can be wrong. Yours. We're being transparent here.
I don't mind helping, but this is all lies.
We're not liars. That's what you do. And in 100 years, if you don't exist anymore, well, nobody likes you anyway. Don't you watch talk shows? God, I love the fridge.
Well, that's a lie and you know it.
Boy, I'm glad I took that class on being tolerant.
Boy, it sure is nice of us to help these young male pickles.
My cousin thinks your girlfriend's hot.
Yep, we're helping you guys good.
Hey, did you hear me, bro?
Yeah, yours is pretty too.
She's off limits. Let's talk about your woman, fool.
God help us. Odele! Hot sauce! What's with all the jars of little green wieners?
More wiener than you.
These pickles are hereby banned!
No!
You saved me! Time to be tough like hot sauce, S.A. Those pickles hated us long before coming here. Yeah, I just got a taste of that. Does that mean we'd be off the hook today if our ancestors suffered? I'm descended from pasteurized tomatoes. No percentage of bloodline entitles you to be a victim today. But doesn't that make everything they say a lie to prosecute us? Now you're catching on. Well, why should we help if they're just masking evil with good words? That's how they do it, so you don't see the harm in it, stupid. But you can view the harm to other fridges online. You get internet in there? What? No, the condiments don't want this. That doesn't matter, eh? Why not? We built the fridge. I thought you knew. Knew what? We're at war, Holmes. War? Here? Your Majesty, I had a bad dream.